Hi, in this lecture is how to create a 100C13 pipe. First, this is 100C13 pipe. First, check the specification of 100C13 pipe in P&ID. Say this is 100C13 pipe. The specification is F1C. This is 100C13. Go to piping, create pipe. Pipe name is 100C13. Specification is F1C. Bore size is 100. The nozzle bore size is 100. Okay. Now see E1301 equipment NS1 nozzle. This is E1301 nozzle. E1301 equipment. Check. This is NS1 nozzle. This NS1 nozzle bore size is 100. Okay. Now go to choose head. Create trial. Uncheck it. They give coordination for this pipe. W is 33,000. Upward is 104937. Northward is 3082 80. North is 30 82 80. This westward is 33,000. Lock. Elevation up values 104937. 104937. Lock. The bore size is 100. Direction when the pipe is the pipe end is not connecting equipment. This is open end. So in case this is open end means the give a direction. This end is facing east direction. In this concept you want to give connection direction is opposite of this end connection. Opposite of the end connection is west. W. You apply. Now go to equipment, go to component, first create a flange. See the nozzle rating is 300. So give 300 rating flange. Create. Now flange is created. Now next component is elbow facing east west direction. Create an elbow, 90-degree elbow. 90-degree elbow. Create. Go to modify waist position and again elbow. Again create elbow. So again create elbow facing up direction. Up direction. Go to home, move, position, See, the west direction is 31, 97, 60. 31, 97, 60. 31, 97, 60. Apply. Now see, the elbow is facing east direction, west direction, but there is an angle. This elbow is rotating from west direction to some angle 45 degree. Now rotate 45 degree. Choose, select that elbow, hold the control button, click it. The entire portion is selected. Now 45 degree. Okay, rotate 45 degree. See, the elbow is here. Now this portion completed. Again create a elbow facing north direction. Again one elbow facing north direction, whose position is ten 42 93. 10 42 93. Apply. See, the line is touching equipment. Say just we want to move little bit, double click, select the entire pipe, select entire pipe. Okay, the entire pipe is selected. Now double click, little bit. Okay, select. Okay, double click in elbow, move it. Okay, now check, the pipe is not touching equipment. Okay, now create another one elbow. Create another one elbow facing north direction. Select that elbow. Again elbow facing north direction. Go to home, move position 30 82 80. This is north. 30 82 80. 30 82 80. Apply. Again create elbow, move to east direction, go to home, move position, up direction is 10 49 37. 10 49 37. Apply. Close it. facing this, another one will go facing go to position 10:49:37 10:49:37 apply. See, 130 is been created. In case select that branch, go to piping, modify pipe. See branch style. The branch style is in some other direction, like east. The branch end is ended in east. If I give east is, the pipe is this pipe is not created, and both sides you are 250 means it is the reason also it is not creating this line. Okay, apply. See, the pipe is not created. You correct both sides 100, and when the pipe ended in east direction means you give opposite direction. This pipe is tile is east, now I give west direction. Apply. See, the pipe is created. Okay, thank you. Hi, in this lecture how to create a 150A57 pipe. This is 150A57 pipe. A57, his specification is A1A. Check specification in ID. 150A57 pipe specification is A1A. Now go to pipe, create a pipe, select zone piping, create pipe. 150A57 specification is A1A. both sizes. $100. Apply. Choose the flow is, the liquid flow is this pipe is facing north direction. The liquid flow is from top to bottom. So the starting flow is head, ending flow it is ending flow is tile. So first choose tile. Tile is 100. Okay, first choose tile. This is N1 nozzle. Now choose head. See, this pipe is starting 100 mm diameter, and then reducer, so the diameter is changes from 100 to 150. Here this pipe is 150, the ending pipe is 150 mm diameter, so change to 150. Open in this pipe end is not connected in any equipment, so this is open. So open in direction, opposite of this east is west direction. Click. This is coordination 10:49:65. 10:49:65. Sorry, up is 10:49:65. 10:49:65. East direction is 33,000. Sorry, west. North is 30. 85:30. This is waist, notch is 30, 85, 30. Lock it. Apply. Go to component. Create flanging tile. Flange. This is 300 rating. Create. Okay, this is a warning. Now check this. Pump nozzle. Go to that equipment. Select that equipment. Equipment. Modify nozzle. Modify nozzle. Okay, select the nozzle. Nozzle N1. Select that nozzle. See, this position changed. Fancy nozzle. Rating is 300. Size is 100. Check N1 nozzle. N1 suction. ND is 100. Discharge is 50. Say 100. Next, check this nozzle. Nozzle, fancy nozzle, 300 IV, 50. Next, now select that branch. Go to piping. Modify component. Click flange. This is 300 rating flange, so use weld neck. Create. Okay. Again, reset head and tile. Go to piping. Modify pipe. Branch tile is nozzle. Now head. Same head connection. Okay. Go to component. Choose 300 rating. Flange. Weld neck. Create. Now flange is created. TA57. Next component is reducer. So go to reducer, This reducer is changing diameter from 100 to 150, so small to big. Dipping is 150, concentric. Click. Now next component is, this is gate valve. Check P and ID. 150 A57 pipe. This valve is indicates gate valve. This is the symbol of gate valve. Go to valve. Click gate. Create 100 mm. Okay, the valve is facing south direction, so go to modify south. Okay, south direction is 90. Next, one elbow facing north direction. Elbow facing north direction. Create. Okay. So already the elbow is facing north direction. Okay. Now they give a higher up value 10, 41, 55. So go to home, move, position 10, 41, 55, apply. Now again one elbow facing this direction. Suppose this valve position is best 30, 80, 60. Go to home, move, position 30, 80, 60, 30, 80, 60, apply. Control plus Z. Go to home, move, position. The west direction is 30. Sorry, north direction is 30, 85, 30. 30, 85, 30. Apply. Okay, now T, use T connection facing up. T size is 150. Because of using reducer, this is 100 pipe. After using reducer, the pipe is changed to 150. Change the flow. Select 150 T butt weld. Click. Now the T joint is facing up value. Now the T position is 30, 80, 60. Select that, go to move position, waist is 30, 80, 60. Apply. Now again one elbow whose height is 10, 49, 65. Again one elbow, 90-degree elbow facing this direction. Facing this direction. Go to home move position, 10, 49, 65. 10, 49, 65. Play. See, there is another one branch. So create another one branch. Go to piping, selected branch, component not piping, select pipe, select create a new branch. Now branch style, you want to again change the nozzle bore and rating. So go to select that nozzle 152B, select that nozzle, go to equipment, modify nozzle, and say nozzle 300, 100. Next modify nozzle, and see nozzle 300, this is 50. Next, okay. Now go to piping, modify pipe, select that branch first, then select B2, choose head, tile, is here. Now create component in branch 2, okay. Create flange, 300 rating, weld neck, create, flange is created. Next, one reducer, one gate valve, click reducer, 150 concentric reducer. Next, gate valve facing south direction, select that gate, modify south direction, Okay, now create a 90-degree elbow facing north direction. Elbow is already facing north direction, whose height is same height 10 41 55. Go to home, move position 10 41 55, apply. Again one elbow, facing west direction. Whose position, go to home, move position north is 30 85 30, 30 85 30, apply, close it. See, this branch tree is created. Okay, thank you.